The Powertrain Perspective podcast is sponsored by TransStar Aftermarket Solutions.
Hello and welcome to Powertrain Perspective. I'm Bobby Mace. I'm publisher of the Transmission Digest brand. Today joining me I have Reed Trueblood, who is Managing Director of the Automatic Transmission Service Group, which most of you know as ATSG. Welcome, Reed.
Thank you, Bobby. I appreciate you having me.
Well, Transmission Digest and ATSG have a relationship going back to sometime in late 1985, early 1986, and very much of the technical content that appears in Transmission Digest comes from ATSG's authors, writers, and trainers. And so I thought I'd invite Reed on today to catch us up, and the company does a lot more than provide technical content to Transmission Digest, and I thought we'd talk about that. And the first one is probably the reason the company was founded originally, and that is to provide telephone support to shop rebuilders.
Absolutely. I mean, when it really boils down to it, ATSG is in the customer support industry. One of the ways that we support our customers is our membership. And one of the biggest benefits of the membership is that unlimited calls in the hotline. Our techs have over 300 years combined experience. They stay up to date on their ASE certifications. And that being on the front line of those tech line calls allows us to build a pretty robust library of confirmed fixes, which gets used in our tech library and also in our in-person seminars and webinars.
So, Reed, tell us a little bit about the seminars that you do. You have a number of them in a number of different areas of the country. How long does one of these last? What are they going to cover? That type of thing.
I'd be happy to. So worldwide, we do 9 every year, including Australia and Mexico. Each one is roughly 6 to 8 hours, depending on how long our guys elaborate and how many questions there are. We intentionally spread them out throughout the entire U.S., trying to allow techs of all regions to attend. And thanks to our umbrella sponsor, Scheffler, and our main host, TransStar, I feel like we put on industry-leading seminars. The main goal of these seminars is to share the knowledge that we've learned by being on the front line of that technical hotline. The material that is shared is going back to those confirmed fixes that I mentioned earlier. So each year, the cream of the crop confirmed fixes gets added to our seminar book set. That seminar book set is the material that's covered during that in-person seminar.
And people get a copy of the seminar book set when they attend?
Absolutely. Every ticket gets you a copy of that book set, gets you a show hat or a t-shirt, gets you a hot lunch, and of course saves your seat there at the seminar.
Now, I know that you're doing more now in Spanish language than once you were. Tell us about your Spanish language offerings.
This is something we're really excited, so I'm glad you brought that up. So back in 2024, we tested the Spanish market by attending the PACE Automechanica Mexico City show. Based on that successful test, this most recent year in 2025, we went back with our most recent tech translated in Spanish. They were flying off the shelves. It was a feeding frenzy. Wayne did another in-person seminar, had 770 attendees. So needless to say, it was a pretty successful test. So we've partnered with our friends over there at PowerStar. So if you're in Mexico, you would get the print books through PowerStar out there. If you're in the US, you can, of course, get it from us at atsgbookstore.com. Just like all of the English offerings, everything in Spanish is available in both the print and downloadable format.
Now, Reed, ATSG has a role now since 2017, I believe was the year, within ETE, a well-known remanufacturer of transmissions. Talk a little bit about what that does for ETE and what it does for ATSG.
Yep, it really is a symbiotic relationship. So what ATSG does for ETE, I think the main thing that we do is offer in-field R&D. So we're seeing which transmissions are failing and why. And to be clear, this isn't the transmissions that ETE is offering. They have their own claims department. These are the transmissions that they have yet to offer, the 10-speed stuff. And we're seeing how they're failing, why they're failing, what the fix is. And what this does is it allows them to build their units better than OE by really over-engineering those common failure points. Another way that we work together is ATSG is responsible for a lot of their tech material, for example, install guides. The ETE techs and ATSG techs have a really good relationship with open communication so they can bounce ideas, questions, comments, concerns off of each other. Also, when applicable, this is the part I really like, how ETE helps ATSG. They refer us members. If they have a customer that's interested in being a member, they'll refer us our way. We give them a call. We explain the features and benefits, and more often than not, they jump on board with ATSG.
Now, this video series started back at the first of the year, along with a companion video series that's hosted by the Transmission Digest editor, Alex Chrissy, and that one's called The Builder's Bench. And on that, again, we partner with our technical partners, ATSG. You want to say a little bit about Builder's Bench videos?
Yet another thing we're excited about. It started with you coming to me and asking for a favor. And when you come and ask for a favor, you say yes. So I was happy to oblige. This is Reno on the ATSG side, Alex Chrissy on the Transmission Digest side. And it's another way of sharing knowledge, right? People learn in different ways. This is an example of sharing knowledge and helping people learn via video. What I really like about it is that all the videos in the entire series are based on an actual phone call. This is a phone call that came into ATSG. We did some research. We consulted the tech library. Tech may have asked another tech, have you seen this before? And then there you go, the answer, which equals a confirmed fix. So it's really taking a confirmed fix from paper to video, and how fun has it been to watch these things come to life?
Okay, and we'll do one last thing because you mentioned to me, we were at the Powertrain show over the weekend, and you mentioned to me that AAPEX is coming up, and we'll have this video out before AAPEX. And the ATSG team is actually going to be presenting some technical seminars in conjunction with the AAPEX show in Las Vegas.
Absolutely. So we were asked to do some technical training out there. The first day of training will be the Tuesday of the show. That'll be downstairs in the in-class setting. On Wednesday, what the attendees would have learned that day gets brought to life with hands-on training upstairs on the main floor in the transmission area. So that will be Wayne and Tony Gunyon of HP Tuners bringing, the issues that they talked about the day before up to the forefront right there before your eyes with the transmissions, tearing them down, showing you, the failure that they talked about the day before, explaining here's where it happens, why it happens, what you can look for to, when you're diagnosing this. So we're really happy to partner with AAPEX this year. We're extremely happy that they've agreed to bring the transmission area upstairs onto the main floor. I think that's good for the entire industry.
Sounds like a real opportunity for people. And, both our organizations are involved in education and support of the transmission rebuilder. And we appreciate your time. We appreciate you taking a few minutes to talk to us here on Powertrain Perspective today. Thank you.
Bobby, you're an icon in the industry. I appreciate rubbing elbows with you. I appreciate everything you're doing for the industry, as well as what Transmission Digest is. So thanks you for having me.